Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video, and today I want to show you how to upgrade all of your halogen lights on your Honda Ridgeline, specifically the second gen, with newer LEDs, specifically these Auxiotos, which I've had really good luck with. We're going to go through several of these, but I'll show you just how to do it, whether it be the reverse lights, the in-bed lights, tag lights, and the interior lights as well. Now, if you're interested in buying these LEDs, I'm going to go ahead and put a link up here as well. You can get a little bit of a discount, but the Auxito reverse lights is going to be the model 54H right there on the side. I will go ahead and link that right up here. And then for the other ones, we have the 194 bulbs, and that basically does all the small lights. Once again, these will be linked right up here as well as in the description below. This is very easy to do and doesn't require many tools. So of course I have the LED lights here. I then have these plastic removal tools as maybe the only quote-unquote specialty tools. If you need some, I will link an Amazon set. They're very cheap, but they basically just help not mar the plastic instead of a flathead screwdriver. Also have a Phillips screwdriver and a 10mm wrench just to do these tail lights. But we're going to go ahead and start with the reverse lights first, and I'll show you how to do that. So this tail light is very simple. You have two 8mm bolts you have to remove. You have the hinge for closing the tailgate. You just go right in there. We'll go ahead and remove that one real quick. Then we move this bottom one down here. Ratchet extension will help get to both of these a little bit easier. There's one 8mm, and there's the second one. This tail light may have a couple of clips holding it in. Should pop right out of place. There we go, that tail light is out of there. Holding the light against me, all I'm going to do is twist that reverse bulb on the bottom, pull the bulb out. I do like to keep these just as backups, you never know. And then this might have polarity, so we'll have to check it, but pop that new bulb in, get it lined up with the bottom, twist it in, and your reverse light's in place. We're going to go ahead and pop this back on loosely, crank the truck, put the reverse lights on, and see if I have the right polarity. I just reinstalled it by pushing it back in and putting these two 8mm, nice and simple. Let's go ahead and quickly run through the other side. Now we're going to move on to the bed lights. They have a simple Phillips head holding them in. Push on that side. There we go. Take that bulb, just like the last time, we twist it out. Remove the small incandescent bulb. I want to replace it with one of the newer LEDs. We put it all back together. Now, removing these tag lights does take a little bit of a trick, but using these plastic tools, what I like to do is push up on the housing, and right here in the corner, pull that out, slide it forward, and it comes right out. Twist that out. Whew, halogen bulbs are already pretty hot. Let's replace with our LEDs. Much brighter. Putting that housing back on. We kind of lift it up and we get this side started. It's got a little tab on it. Yep, and then it pushes down like that and it's in place. dome lights up here, we're gonna have to get in right here on the edge. And actually might need a smaller tool for this one. There we go. Once you pop that, you got some clips. Just be very, very gentle that you don't damage these. You wanna pull down as flat as possible. And you got your interior light. If you ever run into an issue where these bulbs are hard to reach, make sure to be careful around this aluminum housing because you don't want to get tape on that. I like to take a little electric tape, wrap it around. I'm not going to be reusing these anyway. And it pulls right out, nice, easy. Open the door. Much, much better. Then we just take this cover, pop it back onto place nice and gently. We're going to do the same thing onto the other side. You can see a clear difference between the two. All right, all the lights are done. So we're gonna wait for it to get darker, and then I have some footage of the old halogens, and we're gonna compare that to the LEDs, and you can see just how much brighter they are and see that this is really worth it. I can already tell you this LED upgrade is going to make a big difference, from the cargo lights, the tag lights, everything. I even did the high and low beams in a previous video. Such a big difference on the road with how much nighttime driving I'm doing, as well as the hunting and fishing stuff. Well, I seem to always need a little bit extra light wherever I may be. But if you enjoyed seeing the Ridgeline, or you have any ideas for any other projects I should do with it, relatively small ones would be better, then please let me know in the comments below. But regardless, guys, I do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to share, like, subscribe for more, and as always, thanks for watching.